Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt at home. First, gather your ingredients, fresh milk and a small amount of plain yogurt as a starter. Ensure all your equipment is clean and ready. We'll cover heating the milk, cooling it to the right temperature, and then incubating it to create delicious, creamy yogurt. It's a simple process that yields fantastic results. To begin, select high-quality milk. Whole milk often yields the creamiest yogurt. Your starter yogurt should be plain, unsweetened, and contain live active cultures. This small amount of existing yogurt is crucial for introducing the beneficial bacteria. Before you start, make sure all your utensils and containers are thoroughly cleaned to prevent any unwanted bacterial growth. Pour your milk into a saucepan and heat it slowly over medium heat, stirring frequently to prevent it from sticking. Bring the milk to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, which helps to denature proteins and create a thicker yogurt. Once it reaches this temperature, remove it from the heat and allow it to cool down to between 105 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the perfect temperature for adding your starter. Once your milk has cooled to the correct temperature, add 2 tablespoons of your plain yogurt starter. Stir it gently but thoroughly to ensure the cultures are evenly distributed. Pour the mixture into clean glass jars, then place them in a warm spot, like an oven with just the light on, for 6 to 8 hours. The longer it incubates, the tangier and thicker your yogurt will become.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.